dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit.
Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands. Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands. Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands. Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands. Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands.
Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit.
Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands. Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands. Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands. Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands. Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands. Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands.
Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit. Yes, dear old dad. And one third a bit.
Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands. Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands. Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands.
Herzlichen Glückwunsch an den Disney Channel, jetzt in Deutschland im Free TV. Applaus, 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 Applaus.
Good morning, nature citizens. Good morning. Do you know what the day is? Well.
Good afternoon. My name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer.
Hi, Bailey. This is Carl. I want to wish you sweet dreams.
I was born 2 months before the Second World War started, in the north of England. I was brought up in a little northern coal mining town called Wickham. My father was a civil engineer. My mother came to my job as a secretary to look after my sister, who was 5 years older than me. People ask you, don't they, when did you know you were gay? And I say that about the time you knew that you weren't. For me, it would be early teens, I suppose. And by which time we were in both. And I was in a very good school, a local school. Boys were encouraged to be themselves and follow their individuality.
Hey, paisanos, it's the Super Mario Brothers Super Show. Hey, paisanos, it's the Super Mario Brothers Super Show. Hey, paisanos, it's the Super Mario Brothers Super Show.
This is a genuine imitation gold nugget. This is a genuine imitation gold nugget.
I've seen the ball before you, Duck. I've seen the ball before you, Duck.
Coming along.
Oh, I'm just fine, Professor Fogg.
Interesting. Makeup.
This is a genuine imitation gold nugget.
Good morning, nature citizens. Good morning. Do you know what today is? Well.
Good luck. Sarah, stop it. Look, she's changing colors. Good luck. Sarah, stop it! Look, it's changing colors. Good luck. Sarah, stop it! Look, she's changing colors.
I have a big date with Liz tonight, Garfield. What do you think of my outfit?
But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked.
The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead.
But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked. 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 But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked.
Warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. Warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. So I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead.
But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked. 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 But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked.
The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. Warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead.
But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked. 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 But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked.
The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead.
But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked. 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 But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked.
So I came instead.
Mr. Felix? The door is locked. But how, 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 Mr. Felix? The door is locked.
The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead. The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead.
Cars. The West is the land of opportunity. And there's an opportunity over there, Ding, to have cars. The West is the land of opportunity. And there's an opportunity over there, Ding, to have
I've seen the ball before you now. I've seen the ball before you now. I've seen the ball before you now.
But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked.
The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came instead.